Good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money Mystery, and this is 18th of May. And let's see what's happening in the market. Yesterday, market went way beyond our resistance levels, and after that, there was a non-stop rally which happened. So right now, what we are seeing. See, yesterday, what happened is there was a program which had happened. The gap which was there was something which is not visible in your charts. So, which kind of gap actually are quite bullish in nature, and you could see that yesterday the market have moved out quite sharply, and after that again today we have actually started with a big gap up, and this is at a very important level. Previously we had made a high of 15,056. There's exactly the same place where we are opening for today. So this is a very interesting place for us to watch out. Now the main reasons could be, one of the reason is the COVID cases are falling, and European Union, a lot of countries are actually opening after lockdown after 4 months of lockdown. So there is a lot of positivity which is there, and whatever fall had happened in the last week, a lot of recovery has happened in the European market. Though full recovery has happened in the US market, there's slight recovery which has happened. Now the main thing is Nasdaq and Russell's, which are the small cap index, and the technology stocks and the pharma stocks which are there in the US market, they are still weaker. The S&P and the Dow Jones, they are still stronger. Now we need to see if Dow Jones and S&P is going to pull the market up, or Nasdaq and Russell's are going to pull the market down. Now, the most important thing which also has to be seen is what is happening in the European markets. European markets have been moving higher, and now, most importantly, is we will be closely watching Germany DAX, where it has actually rebounded quite a lot. Now, will it be able to breach the previous high, or will it actually take a resistance and start falling? That is something which we will be watching. So currently for today, what are the supports we are watching is, see, as long as 14,800, 850 is being held, market is going to be still stronger. If this is going to breach, this is going to be a weaker zone, and currently 15,000, 15,050 will still act as a very strong resistance. Holding beyond this is very important for the market to move higher. If we can hold this, there is another 15,000 to 15,200 is the next level which we can expect. Now the main challenge is 15,000 has had a highest open interest since the beginning of the month in case of call writing. So we need to see how call writers are going to react now, because it is going beyond that. Last time they had actually pushed the prices higher to quite a large extent. Now we need to see how it's going to do. Now, the biggest worry currently also is that FIs are still the net sellers, and they are selling at every levels. So this is something which is important for us to watch. And today, it's also important as to watch what happens with the DIs. Because the DIs also, they have been selling above 15,000 level. Last time, that is what had happened. So we need to watch these levels very carefully, and then we will see how things are going to go. Because now the watch will be on what is going to happen with the Fed reserves policies and all. So that entire thing will shift after tomorrow. So we will have to closely watch these levels, how actually markets are going to react in the US market and European markets. Because the global markets, as long as they're positive, there is hope that market can still sustain. But if that is not going to be there, then there is a very high probability market can crash from here. So let's actually look at that. Most importantly is, yesterday banks have become quite stronger, and now for banks, as long as 33,000 is going to be held, it is going to be stronger. And now 34,000 is going to act as a very strong resistance. So let's see how things are going to go here and what is going to happen. We will be closely watching. Overall, in the last 2 days, the volumes have been pretty good. So we need to see if the volumes are going to continue to be on the similar line. If we have similar volumes and the breakout happening, then it makes a lot of sense for the market to move higher. Otherwise, there is we also have to see how will be the volume of selling which is going to happen at these higher levels also. So guys, I hope this is actually helpful for you to actually take the right trading decisions. If you are liking the information I'm sharing with you in the video, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. And if you want to learn technical analysis, go and subscribe to my Telegram channel. I am doing a live session today in the evening at 7:30 p.m. Go come and actually join that. And yesterday I have done one more program for the basics of the stock market. Whoever wants to actually understand the basics of the stock market, all the technical jargons, you can actually go ahead and watch the video. Just go and subscribe this channel and you will get a lot more things. Thank you very much guys. Have a great and prosperous day. Bye bye.